Welcome back to High-Level Techie, and today we are going to talk about magic links under courses and membership. Earlier we had to create a password and send that password to a new user. Now the password flow is going to change. All you have to do is send a login URL or a magic link to a new user or a user who is requesting a password reset. So let me show you how it is done. Let's get straight to it. So let's go and check out what happens when this course magic link is turned off. So I am signing up for an offer for a course. So here is a free offer I have. So I'm going to sign up with my email address here. So to check out, it is telling me to check my email address with login credentials and to log in here. So if I go back to my inbox, I should have a welcome email. And you can see here, I have received my username and password. So that is the current behavior. But now we are going to turn on this feature from our lab and see what happens. So we are going to turn this on. So it would change the way we create password moving forward. So let's go back to our offer again, refresh this. And now I'm going to sign up with a different email address. So here is a completely different welcome message. So this is my name, details, the details of the offer. And then here I have a button to log in. So there is no password, there is no username and password. All you have to do is click here to log in, and then it will ask you to create a password. You can see here it is straight away asking me to create a new password. So I don't have to copy and paste my password from the email. All I have to do is create my own password. So I'm going to create it now. And now I can log in to this course or a portal. So that's the major difference that's going to happen when you create your courses and communities in the coming days. The login process is completely different. All you have to do is to send them a login link. So now if you don't like the email template that you saw, you can create your own email template. So let's go and see how it is done. Go back to marketing and click on email and templates. And let's create a new template either from a previously built out template or from scratch. So let's go pick one template. Let's pick this template and continue. And what we need is in this button should say login here. And what we need now is the link, the magic URL link. So how do you get it? So if you go here, you can see there's a new section called membership contacts. So click on that. So now you can see all the information that are relevant to the course that you are selling. So here you have a login URL. So if you click that, this URL will become the same URL that you saw in the previous email. And once you've done that, all you have to do, give it a name, maybe login to courses. And once you've done that, save that template and go back and go into your memberships and go to your settings under courses. And here you can find email settings. And this is where you update that send welcome email template. Now the default template is what you saw earlier. And instead of that, you can select the template that we just created. And if you want to make any adjustments, you can edit from here as well. So that's a pretty cool feature that you can edit the emails anywhere. And you can edit however you want. And once you've done that, save this as well. And you would be sending a login link instead of passwords. So this is also applicable inside automation. So if you go create an automation from scratch, let's create one now. And inside this workflow, if you click to create a new action, and let's say we are sending an SMS with the login URL, and if you start looking for that link, you won't find any because there is no trigger that is connected to the course or the membership. So in order for that to work, you need a trigger that is related to courses or membership. If you scroll all the way down, you would see a section called courses. These are the triggers that you need to use to access those magic URL links. So let's say we selected offer access granted and click save as the trigger and go back to send an SMS again. You can see courses is added to this list. When you click on these courses, you see offer access granted. Inside that, you will find login URL, the magic link. So you can send emails like this as well. And people would still get this login URL link through workflows as well. So whenever someone gets access to a certain offer, we will send an SMS with that login URL, and then they can click on that, create a new password, and start accessing our courses. So this is a new, improved, streamlined password generation flow for the new user for your courses and membership sites. So that's the new update in regards to courses and membership sites. I hope you enjoyed this new magic link workflow to create passwords. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.